Saluting Hawaii's living musical treasures. Sears Hawaii, a proud sponsor of KGMB9's Island Music, Island Hearts.
If you do one thing, do it right. In the middle of the day or late at night, don't even try it if you can't come through. You say you want chicken? Well, that's what we do.
TMC's cooking up a great deal. Get 12 pieces at a price that's a steal. It's the tastiest chicken anywhere you can find, and the price you can't beat it. Just $9.99. That's 12 pieces, just $9.99.
We are KFC. We do chicken right.
Your neighborhood home project store and more. City Mill.
Finish up your summertime home improvement projects this weekend during City Mill's big Labor Day weekend sale. Royal Islander acrylic latex exterior flat paint, just $12.98 a gallon. Quikrete concrete mix, only $2.98 a bag. And a great back-to-school furniture value, ready-to-assemble student desks, just $64.98. On sale now at all 6 conveniently located City Mill neighborhood stores.
Going to Children's Day at Bishop Museum this Sunday, and every family gets in free when Mom and Dad wear Aloha Festival ribbons. So get them ribbons and get this show on the road. Read to me, please. Mama, won't you read to me?
So why do you pay so much for gasoline? It's Superfund tax, Hawaii excise tax, Hawaii environmental response tax, state fuel tax, federal tax, county tax. KGMB 9 News exposed the reasons why gasoline is so expensive and ways you can avoid paying too much. KGMB 9 News, we're working for you.
Thank you. I'd like to introduce the band. John Porles on percussion. That wonderful ukulele you hear is Troy Fernandez.
Ernie Cruz Jr. on guitar with a built-in bass.
Hey. Thank you. This next song we'd like to do is called No Ke Ano Ahi Ahi. Ahi goes like this. Yike. No ke ano ahi ahi e aloha la o ka hali ali ana mai. Ke ano ahi ahi, ke aloha la, o ka hali ali ana mai. O ko ula, o ke iala e lumai nei nā pia. O ko ula e o ke iala e lumai nei nā pia. Oh yeah. Haina ko inoa ke ali'ila no ka lani luna lilo he noa. Haina ko inoa ke ali'ila no ka lani luna lilo he noa. He noa, he noa. Thank you very much. This last song we're gonna do is off our second project. It's called Surf, and it goes like this.
Surf is the only way I say to make music with the ocean day by day. I surf all day, play music all night, and I just can't wait till the morning light to go surf. Ooh, ah, ooh, surf, everybody go surf. Ooh, ah, ooh, surf, surf. I check all the island breaks I know, but the place I go is the Kaiser Bowl. I surf with the guys from the Kaiser Surf Crew, Eddie Much, Bob, and Dennis too. We all surf. Ooh, ah, ooh, surf. Everybody go surf. Ooh, ah, ooh, surf, surf. White Bear, Sunset, Pipeline, Haleiwa, Bells Land, Honduras, Rock Piles, Alamo, and the Kaiser Bowl. Everybody go surf. Ooh, ah, ooh, surf. Everybody go surf. Ooh, ah, ooh, surf, surf. Ooh, ah, ooh, surf. Everybody go surf. Ooh, ah, ooh, surf, surf. Once you learn all the radical moves, I know it will put you in the groove. Go off the lip and in the tube. If I can do it, so can you. So go surf. Ooh, ah, ooh, surf. Everybody go surf. Surf will never, never die, 'cause the feeling makes me fly so high. My love for surf is very strong, so the ocean is where I belong. We go surf. Ooh, ah, ooh, surf. Everybody go surf. Ooh, ah, ooh, surf, surf. White Bear, Sunset, Pipeline, Haleiwa, Bells and Land, Honduras, Rock Piles, Alamo, and the Kaiser Bowl. Everybody go surf. Ooh, ah, ooh, surf. Everybody go surf. Ooh, ah, ooh, surf. Everybody go surf.
Island Music, Island Hearts. We'll be right back.